We at Bluestreak Crystals wish to show our support for the Royal British Legion's Poppy Appeal, so we have brought in several poppies and will be bejeweling them with a selection of crystals from our Serenity Crystals range. I am using Gem-Tac Tacky Glue and the double-ended wax picker pen to do this embellishment. For the poppy, I am using a selection of reds including Ruby, Cyan, Cyan AB, Light Cyan and Light Cyan AB. The flecks of blue that you can see are the result of the AB coating, and the Gem-Tac Tacky Glue will set and dry fully clear. Make sure the poppy is dry before moving on to the leaf, where we are again using a selection of crystals from Serenity Crystals. Make sure the leaf is where you want it to be before you start placing your crystals, because once the glue is set and the crystals are in place, you will not be able to move the leaf anymore. All of these crystals can be found at bluestreakcrystals.com, and this poppy is now ready to be worn in solidarity when we take our minute of silence on the 11th hour of the 11th day of the 11th month.